In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Chrome faster and smoother. We all enjoy surfing the web at lightning speed, whether it's for work, study, or entertainment. But sometimes our browsing experience can slow down, and that can be frustrating. Fortunately, there are some simple tweaks you can apply to speed up Google Chrome and enhance your browsing experience. Let's begin with a fundamental step. Open Chrome and locate the three-dot menu situated in the top right corner of the window. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu which gives you access to various settings and preferences. What you want to do next is select the Settings option from this menu. This will open a new tab with a wide array of options. Now, within the Settings menu, you should look for the section labeled Performance. Here you'll find some key features designed to optimize your browser's efficiency. The first feature to focus on is Memory Saver. By turning this on, you allow Chrome to free up system resources that are occupied by tabs you aren't currently using. Essentially, this feature helps reduce the overall strain on your computer by minimizing the memory footprint of inactive tabs, which in turn enhances the performance of active ones. Next, let's turn on the Energy Saver. This feature is particularly useful for reducing background activity and extending your device's battery life, especially when you're on the go. With fewer processes running in the background, your browser can dedicate more resources to improve performance, ensuring smoother and faster browsing experiences. Once you've adjusted these settings, it's a good idea to also clear out some digital clutter. Go back to the main Settings menu and navigate to Privacy and Security. Within this section, you'll find an option to clear browsing data. It's advisable to regularly clear cached images and files since they can accumulate over time and slow down your browser. A clean cache means Chrome can load websites faster, accessing fresh copies of data directly from the internet. Continuing on our path to optimization, we need to consider the number of tabs and extensions you have open. Closing tabs you no longer need and disabling unnecessary extensions can significantly enhance Chrome's performance. To do this, simply type Chrome extensions into your address bar and hit Enter. From this page, you can toggle off any extensions that aren't essential to your current browsing needs, effectively streamlining your browser's operations. Finally, give Chrome a fresh start by restarting it. Close out of the browser completely and then reopen it. With these tweaks in place, you're set to enjoy a faster and smoother browsing experience. By keeping your browser clean and not overburdened with unnecessary data or extensions, you can maintain peak performance effortlessly. Thanks for tuning in and happy browsing.